Video. In today's video I will show you regarding the PetCare application for React Native. So here we will make an API call to our Node.js server which we have created. So first of all, make sure you have started your Node.js server. In case you have deployed it to some cloud provider, that's fine as well, but make sure it is up and running. Next, what you have, so I will just show you guys the demo. So I will just click on next, then login. Then I have already entered the details. I will press on login button and the user is navigated to our home screen. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is inside our pet care button I have updated it. So it is like a pressable button, and I have added some Android ripple as well. So depending, if you don't have any children, then just display a text, and if you have a children, then display whatever children you have along with the text. And these are the styles for it. I don't think so. Just make sure inside your Android manifest you have added this internet permission, and I don't think any changes for iOS as such, but in case you don't have this NS transport security, make sure you add that as well. So once you create the PetCare app button, so for getting started.tsx, I don't think any major changes as such for getting started.tsx, but yeah, you can compare it with mine. I don't think any changes as such, only apart from that I have set up all the navigation. So this is the navigate to login screen. So once you click on that button, you will be navigated to the login screen. Next, I have defined a login page as well. So we have already defined that login page. So this is for email, password and show progress, and email input ref as well as password ref. Then once user click on login button, I'm just setting the set show progress to true, and here we are making a fetch call, and I'm passing all the email as well as the password. And once we get the data, and if it is appropriate, then we navigate to the main route. Currently we are not able to use navigation.reset. This is a bug with React navigation for the new architecture. Hopefully it should be fixed in future, but as of now there is still this bug, and I have already raised an issue on their repo, not an issue but a discussion, and I'm planning to raise it as an issue as well. So first I thought that I might be making some mistake, but later on I realized that it is an issue with the new architecture itself. And otherwise I'm just displaying some alert, and these are the login fields. Okay, and here we are just calling the do login method, and this is for show progress bar. So here I am displaying our progress bar. Next, I think the other important change is inside your utils I have defined our routes, as well as I have defined all the colors, and this is my base URL. I'm still hosted our Node.js server on localhost, that's why my URL looks something like this, but make sure you change your IP address. So this should be your IP address, something like this. Change it to whatever you have, otherwise you will still face issues. Next, I have defined these routes which I have already told you. Next, inside our package.json I have added all this React navigation libraries. So if you check, where did it go? Yeah, this bottom tabs, this native as well as native stack, and React Native safe area context as well, and React Native screens. Next, inside I don't think I have made any changes in index.js as such. Next, inside app.tsx, first I have defined a navigation container. I have you can see my imports, and after that I have taken a stack.navigator. So this is for getting started route, and you can refer your component over here. Similarly for login route, and this main route is for our main screen. So if I go to the main, I have created a component for this as well, and here I have create bottom tab navigator, and here I have defined all the screens like home screen, discover screen, explore screen, manage screen, and profile screen, which we have already done. So yeah, that's it. Just I wanted to show you how the login functionality works. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.